Hi everybody, today I have 3 tips for those people with iPhones or iPads. The first tip is going to show you how to record your screen using iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad. The second tip is going to be how to create PDFs and scan documents using your iPhone. And the third tip is how to create videos that have captions. It's a great way to help students who are ESL students or just kids who learn better by reading along with what you're saying in the video. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing is screen recording. I'm pulling down from the right side of my screen on my iPad, and you can see a red flashing target icon. That is the symbol that I'm currently doing a screen recording. The way that I got this is I went to my settings and I went to the control center settings. So right here is a list of all the things that are going to be in your control center. If you have an iPad or an iPhone that does not have a home button, you swipe down from the upper right. That's how you get to this. If you have an iPad or an iPhone with a home button, try swiping up from the bottom and you can get to that same control center. So here in the top section it says my included controls, silent mode, flashlight, notes, camera, my TV remote, and screen recording. If you don't see your screen recording, you can just go to the section called More Controls, hit the plus, and add screen recording to your list. Now, one little tip is that when you swipe down, one thing you're going to want to do is press that record icon and do a long hold. So what you do is you press on the record button and hold for a moment, and you'll see these options. You can then choose which place your movie will be saved. I just said to save it to my photo album. And also you can turn on the microphone. So those are the sort of prep you need to do to record your screen. All right, the second tip is how to go to the Notes app and be able to scan documents. So here I am, I'm in a note. And what I'm going to do is in the upper right part of this screen, I'm going to be clicking on the camera icon, and I'll choose to scan documents. And I placed a document on a neutral background, and I'm just going to get closer to it, and it's automatically detecting where the document is. If you hold still, then what happens is that it will actually automatically take the picture. Now, if you have a second page to your document, I'll just trick the thing into thinking that's a second page. And I'll hold still for a moment. And what it's going to do is it's going to take a second page. Now, see down at the bottom, it says it's ready for my next scan. But I'm going to click Save To. Okay, so now I've got a 2-page PDF. If I tap on it, I can swipe between the pages. If I want to get rid of one of my pages, I can click the trash icon in the corner and delete one of the scans. Now I'm just left with one of them. When I'm ready to share, in the upper right corner, there's an icon that looks like a square with an up arrow. If I tap that, you can see all the different ways that you can share. So you can airdrop it, you can send a text message, you can mail it, you can put it into your Google Drive, and so on. So there's lots of different options for how you can share this PDF, or you can print it or save it to your files. So all kinds of ways to do it, but that's how you add a PDF and scan a document using the Notes app. The final trick is how to use the Clips app to create videos with text and captions in it. So the Clips app is a product created by Apple. It's a great way to create these fun videos that you're seeing in the preview screens here with lots of cool, fun effects. The format is a square video, but it makes it super easy to just do quick videos with all kinds of neat special effects. So let's jump to the Clips app. And now you're seeing me in the Clips app right now. And I'm going to go ahead and do a live demo here of how to use this product. So the first thing is when you want to record, right down here, there's a red button, okay? So you press the red button, and I'm holding it, and it's recording what I am saying and made a video. Here, I'll hit play for a moment. Here, now it's recording. All right, so it recorded me. And let's see, let's go back. And if you want to have the video stay recording without you pressing anything, if you just take your finger and you swipe up, it will stay on. So here it is, I swipe up. Now the video is recording without me having to hold it. I can use my hands and everything else. I'll press stop. So I can click on one of these and I'm holding it and it's recording what I am saying. Swipe up. Now the video is recording without me having to hold it. I can use my hand. All right, so you got the idea. Now, if you would like to have a subtitle of everything that you say, what you do is you can click on one of your clips and go to the first icon that says live titles, and you can see what it wrote. So it says swipe up now, the video is recording without me having to hold it. Now what you can do though is if you want to modify the text, swipe up now, the video is recording without me having to hold it, and you can go in there and maybe I could put a period in there, and you can go and put punctuation, you can change things, and you can modify it however you want. And then you go to style and you can choose where the icons will appear. So let's see, let's say I like something like, let's say I like that one. And I'll just click done. And when I press play, swipe up. Now the video is recording without me having to hold it. I can use my hands and everything else. So you can see how it recorded all of my voice, turned it into text, and made my videos. This video is super easy to make. You can go click on a clip, you can go to effects, and you can add cool special effects and make it look like you're sort of in a cartoon or something. You can go to text and you can add a little text block to your videos. You can tap on it and move it around. You can go to stickers and add cool special effects, and you can rotate them and do all kinds of neat little things like that. And then when you play back, swipe up now, and then it looks really fun and cool. So that's the Clips app. Have fun scanning documents, recording your screen, and using the Clips app to make videos with text. See you next time.